Good morning, good morning. Hi you guys. How's it? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. And it's a vlog. Sana, I'm going on a brunch or breakfast date with my husband. I think the breakfast date is gonna end ibe brunch because at this rate, this man is making me late. Sana, I was struggling to get dressed because winter is not my season and I don't know how to dress for a winter. A winter, I just want to be warm. So now andithanda uphuma winter because kofuneka ndibe ndicinga banza ngoba ntoni. But ke sivuke kukho inkungu and that's not a good start. And because the prediction your weather, not much. I'm hoping it's gonna clear up. Get at least be quick gray clouds, gray skies, gray skies. Oh, lunga. Yeah, I'm waiting for this guy. When hey baby, outfit check. I'm not convinced. But joking, walk about me, that man got convinced. I told him to trust the process. Go time wow. I'm like, be patient. Now I'm thinking about I'd go impressed now. You can do better. Otherwise, yeah, guys, let's start this morning. It's a public holiday, by the way, June 16. Into yovuka early for yake breakfast ube mhle upreparishe kodwa off son, because I know this day is not going to be a short day. It's not going to end anytime soon. So we are apha kulendlu late. So yeah, guys, come along. Sana andina skincare routine ngemaki. Thingathi iphelile ndithamisa iserum, ndithamisa lento, ndithamisa lento. Skincare ntontoni ziyadura sana and na azo have money. So imelanin mayingenelele mayingihelphe. Oh guys, i-remote yethu ivele yayekho sebenza. So asikwazi usebenzisa i-TV, silale isebenza i-remote savuka ingasebenzi. I don't know, do you have a recommendation? Ngoba toshipi le-TV and ngoku i-remote mos ayikho specific na okanye ufuna ukuthenga the exact one okanye kukho ii-settings efuneka zenziwe. I don't know. I think zatsheka kwa-take a lot. Asikwazi like i-TV iveki yonke. Yes, siyayilayita phaa kuyo the actual button on the TV, but we can't do anything on the TV itself. We can't watch Netflix, we can't watch YouTube because seven's Netflix, no YouTube TV. Isn't this? We can't even do that, sana. Can you tell me sizamela utshintsha ibhetri sacheck apha ko-YouTube, ko-TikTok, ko-Google indlela zozama uyilungisa. Hayi sana ayidilungi, guys. So I think now we just need to get a new remote. But we love listening to someone's TV. I love watching YouTube channels, TV, but now I have to use my phone and it's boring than my home guys. What better babe? Oh, me happy. So yeah, I think I'm finally uyifumene i-outfit, guys. To think bendistress andigowa apha enjaja kanti izojika izinto zibe ngaye naye angakwazi ukhetha i-outfit. Izogqitha ufuna uyaphi libele kuncuma. Guys, I did my hair Anathi, I Anathi Mobile Salon. You can check her out. Ukhona go Facebook, ukhona go Instagram, she's on TikTok. Anathi Mobile Salon. She's definitely the girl she thinks she is, sana. She ate and left no crumbs. Umsebenzi wakhe uneat wenza ndiyamthanda ke ba she does e-house calls as well, so phonele uzoba gorgeous. This is my car. Like, one thing about this car, what should I do with my hair? I don't know, but I think I'm manage. Andithanda ubopha xa isentsha into yam. Ndimkelona guys, zanibale. It's like a crop jacket. Because why ngafika ezantsi le jacket? Is this a jacket or is it a blazer? It's not a blazer, God only sure. This teaching. It's a wethu angikwazi ustayle braids. One thing about me braids ndiziyeka loose, then also is a flat in this bob. This is me and the jacket. I look good, I look confident, and I feel confident. Should I try and we are forced to.
stadium was rebuilt in 1908.
Rebuilt in 1908, don't lie.
Yes.
It was rebuilt for 2010, baby.
No, it was Mark Zuckerberg. And then check there, that structure that's over there, it's called...
it's actually version active.
No, not this one, over there.
Okay.
We have a history to that one.
Right, bro.
Yeah. And let me speak to my mom.
You're so childish. Lwandla luveli. Yo. I'm here to show you the ocean. If you haven't seen the ocean, Nancy, if you haven't been to Sea Point, Bantry Bay. I sometimes consider chocolate expensive. What they says, eh?
So I could be in the
Maybe it's
I went out of his
Uchiro
game,
bani
but-
kumi lekeni. Ngula klasana nje leki. Ever good number. Ofuna baby.
It's not how bad.
Now don't worry, babe. I got this. Anything you want, my queen.
You can make them 2 or 3 rides. Now just make it 3 rounds. By the way, you look so cute.
Now they're like, oh my god.
So what about
What you know, babe? What you reasonable la price?
yeah, I don't. That is fine.
Kuninda chengi cocktails. Soda ngoku. Moya ufu.
Oh, actually, they made a mistake.
But what you can run.
Now I real mistakes. I don't know good.
They were good. I so much
Never
about
check
it.
it. It's fine. It's fine.
Send me on. Yeah, then the self-introspection.
Okay. I can. I'll take
Think
it.
they me shush.
Yes.
Ibang mabare. Ibang mabare. Chadile ka ako ay ko serious.
No, I don't speak.
Where's your ring?
Yeah?
Your ring.
You did. What you say, boy?
Sasibona nje ngoba ibike yahlala. It's crazy how quick le nto yenzeka ngakhona, ayibo.
Is it quick?
It's quick.
Almost. It's 4 months.
Feb, 4 months. I thought maybe it would take him in here. Actually, nayo.
Yeah.
Because I need really often.
Neighbor no one kuphela nje ayifika apha egqibeleni. Phela apha.
Huh?
Yeah.
I don't think it's a child. Oh, for sure.
But it's so warm. Yes,
Mirror, mirror on the wall. I look so good. I feel so good. We're back from breakfast, Bangani. What a beautiful experience. Go fancy, Alpha. Go Jabalava, go fancy. Everything about this hotel is fancy, chow. Sana, the shooting, the temple. But now we don't know what to do because go set sin and look what they are. So and that's what's certain. Then what's I go to come walk and you can. But yeah, spend the day with us, basically. We're back home. We had a very beautiful morning, Shem. We decided to come back home because there's a few things besonos lungisa, jingle heater, TV and whatnot. So yeah, we're gonna relax and chill. But I'm just here to close off this vlog. If you made it this far, thank you so much. I love and appreciate you so much. Guys, zange kwanzima kanje uricha 1K. I didn't think it would take me so long to reach 1K subscribers, but sana kyanzinziza. Can you help me reach this milestone, bantu bam? Because at this point, angazi, or please make sure you've subscribed. It's free actually. Cousin wam asked me subscriber. No, you do not pay. It's absolutely free. You just click the subscribe button and you become part of my family. For free, you don't pay anything. Also, just please like videos, like it will help me grow, it will help the algorithm, it's about my videos to reach more and more people. Online is just low favor, guys. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you. See you next time, my dear. Like, ne, leave a beautiful comment, subscribe, share, man. Utimeza, kau subscribe. Pakulela Nyobole-Makhabeni. Kau subscribe, colleague. Makhulu. Zonke email address onaso. Subscribing us. But yeah, thank you so much. Bye.